Hi everyone, due to some circumstances, I'm going to be the voice in today's video. Thanks for your understanding. Nargesa MC650. Metal workpieces are used in a wide variety of industries. Usually they're used to create products such as tables, chairs, doors, handrails, and fences. To get them, section bending machines like the one you see on the screen are used. This is a machine from the Spanish company Nargesa, specifically the model MC650. It is made of high-strength welded sheets which guarantee the stability and durability of the entire construction. It is ideal for creating items of the most complex geometry. It can be used to make parts for sheds, bicycle parking lots, railing, and poles easily and quickly. The manufacturer states that the shaft diameter, electronic control, and some other performance characteristics make the MC650 one of the best pipe and frame benders on the market. Note that the bending itself is carried out directly by the rollers while the metal workpiece moves in between. A total of 9 pieces are included in the set. Various combinations allow to achieve different forms of the finished product. Thus, it is possible to make a shaped pipe, a square, a strip, a circle, a T-profile, a U-profile, or an angle. Gym line tape machine. The marking of sports grounds is subject to very strict requirements, so it is almost impossible to perform them correct by hand. Each lane and line must be precisely aligned and in the right place up to a millimeter. That is why special equipment such as the one you see on the screen is used for marking. First, specialists measure the space to understand where the marking should be done. Then, a special machine, which puts the adhesive tape in the right place, is used. Wheels make it work faster, and it's even easy to apply the tape in a circle. One person holds the metal rail firmly and is responsible for ensuring that the machine moves in a smooth circle. Another person drives it directly. Further on, the specialists paint the strip between the tapes with a special roller. When the paint dries, all that remains is to carefully remove the adhesive tape. The result is a field with neat, even stripes. Water jet cutter. The inspiration for the creation of this kind of equipment was the erosion process. People have noticed that water flows can destroy soil and even rocks. They decided to experiment with it, so they invented water jet cutter. As a cutting tool, water jets, or a mixture of water and abrasive material, are used. The stream goes out at a high speed and under high pressure and can easily cut even the hardest materials. Here you can see how dynamic robotic solutions equipment works. In the off hours, the experts decided to try to create something beautiful out of a steel ball, and the result was a sphere with continents engraved on it. The working pressure of the equipment you can see on the screen varies from 3 to 4,000 bar. It is carried out by means of a hydraulic pump with electric drive. The jet can move at a speed of 100 to 500 millimeters per second. The width of the resulting cut is adjusted by the focusing nozzle and varies from 15 to 35 millimeters. Pool Live AR. Modern people are increasingly using devices that employ augmented reality in one way or another. Thus, last year we learned how to diversify the billiards game with the help of augmented reality. A special projector with a camera is placed above the table. After that, it tracks the movement of the balls and the position of the cue, projecting on the surface of the table various lines and patterns. Pool Live AR will be most useful for beginners who are not yet very confident when playing billiards. The point of this device is that it is able to determine which trajectory the ball will roll on, relying on the position of the cue. Thus, the program can be used for training and better understanding of the principles of the game. However, Pool Live AR will also help professional players to hone their skills. And on top of that, the projections on the table look very beautiful and unusual. Fiber Laser Marking Machine. The German company Triumph specializes in the production of special marking systems to apply inscriptions and patterns on metal and other materials. Such lasers are widely used in the modern world for a wide range of tasks. Thus, they are ideal for welding, cutting, or surface treatment. In this case, a not too powerful laser designed for shape cutting of thin sheet material is used. The equipment you see on the screen can simulate text or pattern using a laser diode with a visible red light. This allows you to see the future result of the marking and therefore place the part more conveniently and accurately. The laser is controlled by a monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse, which means that the work would be familiar to most people and it won't take too much time to learn. End mill. The equipment you see on screen is manufactured by the German company Göring. The end mill is designed for processing flat surfaces, ledges, and grooves, and it can have large or normal teeth. The large teeth are used when roughing metal. On the other hand, the normal teeth are used when finishing or semi-finishing ledges and grooves. This particular end mill is the Göring RF100. It is a multifunctional tool with an in-feed angle of up to 45 degrees and has an uneven spiral pitch. This design reduces the vibration level during work. In addition, the irregular spiral pitch allows for improved surface quality during finishing operations. Custom-fit earplugs. It is not uncommon for headphones, as well as usual and sports earplugs, to be uncomfortable to use because they are too big or too small. To solve this problem, custom silicone earplugs were invented. Each pair is made individually for its owner. The buyer comes into the workshop where they make a cast of their ear. The ear sink is filled with silicone compound, previously protecting the ear canal from getting deep into it. The person spends about 5 minutes with a mixture in a still state. During this time it hardens and the cast is ready. Then it is sent to the manufacturer, where the earpiece itself is made. Thanks to this unique design, the finished product fits perfectly in the ear and does not fall out. It is noteworthy that the earpiece can be used for a variety of purposes. For example, you can buy custom-made headphones. They are used to make personal monitoring systems and headphones that musicians wear during performances. And of course, these devices can be used to protect the ears, for example, while swimming.